Solve the system of equation 2x minus y plus 3z is equal to 1, 2x plus 2y minus z is equal to 2, and 5y minus 5z is equal to 3. So first we write coefficient matrix A, 2 minus 1, 3, 1, 2 minus 1, 0, 5 minus 5, column matrix of variable x, x, y, z, and column matrix of constant B, 1, 2, 3. First we find determinant A. So determinant A, 2 minus 1, 3, 1, 2 minus 1, 0, 5 minus 5. Now hide row and column of 2, we get minus 10 plus 5. Now we hide minus 1 in row and column, so minus 5 minus 0. Now we hide 3 in row and column, 5 minus 0, so this is equal to minus 10 minus 5 plus 15, this is equal to 0. So determinant A is equal to 0. So therefore system of linear equation either no solution or infinite many solution. Now we find adjoint A into B. So first we find the cofactor matrix. So A11 minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 1. Hide position of 1 1 A11 in this matrix. We get the minus 2 minus 1 5 minus 5, 2 minus 1 5 minus 5. So minus 1 raised to power 2 minus 10 plus 5, this is equal to minus 5. A12 5, A21 10, A13 5, A22 minus 10, A23 is minus 10, A31 is minus 5, A32 is 5, and A33 is 5. Now we find adjoint of matrix A. So adjoint A, transpose of cofactor matrix A11 is minus 5, A12 5, A13 5, A21 10, 22 minus 10, A23 minus 10. Now A31 5 minus 5, A32 5, A33 5. Transpose of cofactor matrix. Transpose is the operator which convert row into column. So minus 5 5 5, 10 minus 10 minus 10, minus 5 5 5. This is the adjoint of this matrix. Now adjoint A into B. Adjoint A into B. Adjoint A minus 5 10 minus 5 5 minus 10 5 5 minus 10 5 into B. Matrix B is 1 2 3. Multiply row by column. So we get minus 5 plus 20 minus 15. Second row multiply this column, so 5 into 1 5, minus 10 into 2 minus 20, 5 into 3 plus 15. Third row multiply this column, so 5 minus 20 plus 15, we get 0. This is, we get 0 matrix. The adjoint A into B 0. So this implies that given system of equation has infinite many solution. So let z is equal to k. हम तीनों वेरिएबल में से किसी भी एक वेरिएबल को k मान लेते हैं. सो हमने z को k मान लिया. तो फर्स्ट टू इक्वेशन बिकम्स first two equation becomes 2x minus y is equal to 1 minus 3k, x plus 2y is equal to 2 plus k. First two equation, we see first two equation, put z is equal to k. तो हम यहाँ z की वैल्यू k रखेंगे, तो दिस इज 3k, शिफ्ट इन राइट साइड, तो 2x माइनस वाई इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस 3k. वी पुट z इज इक्वल टू k, तो x प्लस 2y इज इक्वल टू 2 प्लस k बनेगा. नाउ सोल्व दिस सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशन बाय मैट्रिक्स मेथड. सो फर्स्ट we find coefficient matrix. So coefficient matrix C, here matrix C, बिकॉज ए हम ऑलरेडी बना चुके हैं, अब हम मैट्रिक्स दोबारा से ए नाम नहीं देंगे इसको, इसका नेम चेंज करेंगे. सो हम इसको मैट्रिक्स सी कह देते हैं. 2 -1 1 2. वेरिएबल मैट्रिक्स हम मान लेते हैं, दैट इज वेरिएबल मैट्रिक्स को हम मान लेते हैं यहाँ पर पी, इसको मैट्रिक्स पी मान लेते हैं. एक्स और वाई, और कॉलम मैट्रिक्स ऑफ कांस्टेंट, दिस इज मैट्रिक्स डी. सो 1 माइनस 3k 2 plus k. Now we find determinant C. So we get 2 into 2 4, minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1. This is equal to 5, not equal to 0. So this system of linear equation has unique solution. Now we find cofactor of this matrix C. So C11. So C11 is 2, C12 is minus 1, C21 is 1, or C22 is 2. This is the cofactor of matrix C. Now we find adjoint C. So adjoint C, transpose of cofactor matrix. The transpose of cofactor matrix C11 2, C12 minus 1, C21 1, C22 2. Transpose is operator, change row into column. So हम इसको row into column में change कर देंगे. row को column में change किया, we get adjoint C. Now we find C inverse. Now we find C inverse. तो अब हम C inverse find out करेंगे. C inverse 1 upon determinant C into adjoint C. तो 1 upon C inverse 1 upon determinant C. Determinant C is 5. Adjoint C is 2 1 minus 1 2. Now C into D, C into P is equal to D. So this implies that P is equal to C inverse D. This is the matrix form. So P variable matrix है XY, C inverse 1 upon 5 2 1 minus 1 2, and matrix D is 1 minus 3k or 2 plus k. Multiply row by column, so we get 1 upon 5 into 2 minus 6k plus 2 plus k minus 1 plus 3k plus 4 plus 2k. This is equal to 1 upon 5 into 4 minus 5k or 3 plus 5k. The value of x is, this implies that x is equal to 4 minus 5k upon 5 and y is equal to 3 plus 5k upon 5. Now put these value of x and y in equation third. Put value of x and y in equation third, system of linear equation. Third equation is 5y minus 5z is equal to 3. So 5y 3 plus 5k upon 5. Put value of y minus 5z, z is k, हमने z को k माना था, so z is equal to k रखेंगे इसमें. 5 से 5 कैंसिल, 3 plus 5k minus 5k is equal to 3, 5k कैंसिल, 3 is equal to 3 is 2. The value of x and y satisfy the system of third equation of system linear equation. So hence x is equal to 4 minus 5k upon 5, y is equal to 3 plus 5k upon 5, and z is equal to k. Z is equal to k, where k is any number, k is any real number. k है वो किसी भी रियल नंबर को बिलोंग करेगा. सो जैसे जैसे k की वैल्यू चेंज होती जाएगी, x और y के मान, x y और z के मान चेंज होते जाएंगे. इफ वी गिव इनफाइनाइट वैल्यू ऑफ k, वी गेट द इनफाइनाइट वैल्यूज ऑफ x y and z. System of homogeneous linear equation. A system of linear equation is homogeneous if the constant terms of all linear equations are 0. a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to 0, a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to 0. The constant term in this equation is 0. So these linear equations are system of homogeneous equations. Coefficient matrix A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. This matrix is made from the coefficients of x, y, z and column vector of variable x, x, y, z and column vector of constant b is equal to 0, 0. Matrix form of the system of linear equation Ax is equal to b, so Ax is equal to b, b is 0 matrix, so Ax is equal to 0. This is the matrix form of homogeneous linear equations. If determinant A not equal to 0, that is A is non-singular, then there is only one solution. There is only one solution, that is the solution is x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0, means trivial solution. These solutions are called trivial solution. x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0, ये trivial solution कहलाते हैं. Trivial solution. If determinant A is equal to 0, then system of equation has non-trivial solution. Non-trivial solution. In non-trivial solution means infinite many solutions. ये उसी तरह से फाइंड आउट किए जाएंगे जिस तरह से हम इनफाइनाइट मैनी सॉल्यूशंस फाइंड आउट करते थे. तो this is the system of homogeneous equation. Now we take an example. 3 homogeneous equation पर एक example लेते हैं. We take the system of homogeneous equation 3x plus y minus 2z is equal to 0, first equation. X plus y plus z is equal to 0, second equation. X minus 2y plus z is equal to 0, third equation. So first I make the coefficient matrix. So matrix A is equal to 3, 1, minus 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 2, 1. Now we find determinant of matrix A 3, 1, minus 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 2, 1. Hide the row and column of 3. We hide row and column of 3. So we get 1 plus 2. Now we hide 1 in row and column, so we get 1 minus 1. Now hide the row and column of minus 2, we get minus 2 minus 1. 3 into 3 9, 0 and this is plus 6 15 not equal to 0. So therefore system of linear equation has trivial solution. इसका मतलब ट्राइवल सॉल्यूशन होंगे और वो ट्राइवल सॉल्यूशन कौन से होंगे? तो देयरफॉर x इज इक्वल टू 0, y इज इक्वल टू 0, z इज इक्वल टू 0. अगर किसी क्वेश्चन में डेटर्मिनेंट ए 0 आ जाता है तो डेटर्मिनेंट ए 0 आएगा तो उसके लिए नॉन ट्राइवल सॉल्यूशन होंगे. नॉन ट्राइवल सॉल्यूशन मीन्स इनफाइनाइट मैनी सॉल्यूशन. ये उसी प्रकार से फाइंड आउट करने जिस तरह से हमने इनफाइनाइट मैनी सॉल्यूशन फाइंड आउट किए थे.